Hey guys, welcome to our channel and a very good evening. So, this is a notice released by Indira Gandhi Agricultural University, Raipur, which invites applicants for registration for the course BSc Agriculture. For further informations, you can visit the website www.igkv.ac.in. Everything is in small letters. So basically the registration have started from 9th of November and will end on 24th of November at 11:59 p.m. and you need to upload your documents that they ask for, and the provisional merit list and the seat allotment letter will be released by 30th of November, and you will have to physically report to the university from 1st December to 4th December, and the physical reporting will be held from morning 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. from 1st to 4th December. Basically, on your seat allotment letter, you will also get the venue and the time when you need to report the college. Okay. So this was about the first round. You can check out the notice. I have also uploaded this notice in my Telegram channel, and the description of the Telegram channel is in the description box below. Or simply you can search in the search bar of Telegram Excel Neet, EXCEL space NEET, and you will get the channel. Other than that, you can also check out the playlist of NEET UG 2021 counseling and ICAR UG 2021 counseling for further counseling related updates, and we also keep you updated with other state notifications. So do hit the like button and subscribe the channel for further updates.